Hi, welcome all of you on platform of Your PD Education, and you are watching the series of videos which we are publishing on joint PhD programs which are between the IITs and various global universities. I have already published, I think, IIT Bombay, Monash University joint PhD program, and today I am going to discuss with you another prestigious joint PhD program which is going to come soon now, that is IIT Delhi and Queensland University, the University of Queensland and IIT Delhi joint PhD program. You know, these are the great opportunities. Joint PhD programs offer great opportunities because you will spend some time out of 4 years. Let us say you will spend 1 year or more than 1 year in that university, Queensland, and then rest of the time in IIT Delhi. So you will have healthy exposure and experience of research in that university also and India also. That will also help you further to get into postdoctorate fellowships and international collaborations. So those kind of advantages are already there. Now what is this program? IIT Delhi, Queensland, University of Queensland. This is called UQIDAR, University of Queensland, IIT Delhi, and this is called basically a research program. This is academic research program. This is the name of this particular Academy of Research. So AR stands for Academy of Research. So this is basically the researchers from different universities come together. So two groups are formed: I group, IIT Delhi group, and Q group, Queensland student group. So I students spend 3 years in India and 1 year in Australia. Q students will spend 3 years in Australia and 1 year in India, something like that. So it is a basically student exchange program also. PhD program is of 4 years, and you get a generous scholarship. That means scholarship is good, and it is offered for 4 years. So you can understand that once you join it, in 4 years you can complete your PhD. That is the meaning of it. And best thing is, if you go to the site of this, then there you will find our PhD students. I will recommend you to go to our PhD student and see what work these students are doing, in which area they are doing the work. From there you will get an idea, okay, this is the project work and I want to go for such project work. You can go for that. Now when we can target for this IIT Delhi Queensland University joint PhD program, 13th September ko expression of interest you have to write. Application will open up, and what is expression of interest, that also I will discuss in detail sometime in some of the video. So 13th September that will open up, similar to Monash. 17th October ko this application will close, and I think session will start in December. So you are to start, I think the commencement will be in late December or January. You will be part of this. So I will consider it as a part of winter admission. You know that in MS, MTech, PhD admissions take place in summers also, winter also. So this is the part of winter admission. That is what I can tell you. So this is the winter admission part, and then this is the procedure. You have to register your interest, expression of interest. That means in which project you are interested. You need to review the deadlines, find a project for you, check your eligibility, prepare your documents. So this is how it all goes. And the most important part is like you should find a project. So there is the moment application will open, there will be so many projects which will be displayed, and you have to identify your interest, and your interest should match with the project which they have shown, and one of the project you have to identify, then accordingly you can proceed forward on that particular thing. So if you do that, then obviously you have to write a expression of interest, where you have to write why you want to do this, what you want to do in that. So that everything we will expression of interest. What is expression of interest, that we will soon make the video. As of now, you just keep in your mind that in the winter many joint PhDs also will open up. So for you now, what are the different courses in winter will come? MS courses, MTech courses, PhD, direct PhD after BTech, and then joint PhD, IIT Delhi and foreign universities and European universities are always open. So throughout the year, European universities and abroad universities, this admissions keep on taking the basically admissions they keep on taking. So what is the stage of interview stages? Supervisor shortlisting and committee shortlisting. So these are the criteria through which you will be selected. Interview will be taken. So for interview you have to make a very good presentation, PPT you have to make of the project and what you want to contribute in that, and then they will interview you on this particular front, and once your interview goes okay, then you will be inducted. So this is all about IIT Delhi, Queensland. Last dates I have told you, when are the last dates, and now get ready, get prepared if you are serious for this. Those of you who are MTech and they want to get into that, that is also great opportunity. Those who are BTech but they have done the relevant work, for them also it is very good. So target the joint PhD programs between IITs and other foreign universities. They are very good programs. Without any money spent, even a single penny, you can get into those kind of prestigious programs. But as I always say you, that if you have done good work, lot of opportunities are there for MS, MTech, PhD, direct PhD, and then joint PhD, collaboration PhD, abroad PhD. Those all options are there with you. Only thing is you should be well prepared. Hope this helped you, and keep watching other videos also of joint or collaboration PhDs of IITs with the different university of the global universities. Thank you.